Hey guys, RTT back here for the video, guys. Today we'll be talking about the brand new Galaxy S21, all the stuff we know about it right now, all that kind of great stuff. Now guys, if you are new to the channel, you might not know this, but recently, over the last couple months actually, I did go ahead and purchase the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. I bought it right after the iPhone 11 Pro. I had the iPhone 11 Pro for a good amount of time, and I switched over to Galaxy and Samsung. I was able to go ahead and get the Galaxy Watch, and I also got the Galaxy S20 Ultra, a Note 20 Ultra. And to be honest, I'll say one thing. I did go ahead and switch back to Apple. I got the iPhone 12 Pro Max, so I did switch back to Apple. But overall, I'll say that was my favorite phone I've ever used. Now, I did switch back because I got this brand new iPhone. And I'll say one thing, comparing this iPhone to that Galaxy by far is better than the iPhone. I mean, I spent around, I'll say 2 weeks with that Galaxy phone. So far with this iPhone, I've spent about a month now, and I love this iPhone. It's a great phone, don't get me wrong. And that's why I probably won't go back to it, to the Galaxy. But that Galaxy Note 20 Ultra was absolutely amazing in every single circumstance. I love that phone. I've never used the Galaxy S20 or the 20 Ultra, but I can say the Note 20 Ultra, amazing phone. So what we have here is the Galaxy S21. Now, normally Galaxy S21 leaks all coverage shared by inside sources at a high risk of losing their job. Sometimes, however, you can get them by ringing Samsung up and asking. So pretty much what we have here is we have the release day, the price, the specs, all released. So starting off right away, this phone will go ahead and be revealed on January 14th. The phone will be on sale January 22nd. Pre-orders at least in one Sam store are open, with customers able to pay and deposit to reserve a place in the queue, and the options to pick a preferred model of the phone when it's official. So January 14th, we're talking about Galaxy S21. Now, of course, the Note will come out later on in the year, so this is just the obviously non-Note series. And let's go ahead and cover some of this. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this picture right here. This is actually really, really awesome. First off, it has a huge battery. I believe it's 5,000 millihertz. I always get that last part wrong, but you guys will see it in this video. We'll talk about it in this video, but I believe 5,000. But this is so beautiful. So how this is, you can see how the camera, right? So the camera, now how it works is it's flush with the side of the phone. So with the Galaxy Note 20 and the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and the Galaxy S20 is, as you can see right down here, it's kind of, I'll explain it, like, kind of like the iPhone, right? It's here, but you can see how it's like kind of protruding from the phone, right? It's coming off the phone. It's kind of like a little bit of a notch. Like it's a little bit of like a I don't know what I use on this one. It's kind of like a pimple in the phone. Bad example, but you can see how it's kind of coming off the phone. With the Galaxy S21, what's really awesome about it is because it's now flush. So this is actually all flush with the side of the phone. There's still a little bit of a groove at the corners right here and right here. But for the most part, it's all like part of the phone. It's all flush. I love that. I absolutely love the camera. I hated the camera on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. I'll say that right now. I hated the camera. I love this camera design. This camera design is absolutely gorgeous. And yes, I did just compare. I did just compare this to a pimple on a phone. But you know what? That's my best comparison. Samsung also confirmed the use of the 2100 chip in the Indian S21 models, while the US version, the Galaxy S21, will use a quad-core Snapdragon 888 chipset. Users in other countries will see Samsung's new flagship chipset instead. Now, this happened with the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and the Galaxy Note 20. If you buy this phone right off Amazon, wherever you used to buy it from, right? Make sure you buy the US version. Same thing with the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and stuff. If you buy international version of any of these phones, you're not going to get the same chipset / chip power as you will for the US version. The US version always has better components than the international version when it comes to this phone. When it comes to the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, for example, I believe it had like, I don't know exactly the name of it, but they had a better chipset in the US version versus the international version. I don't know, maybe just for like, you know, the cheaper cost, stuff like that. But keep that in mind. If you are buying this, do not buy international version. iPhones, doesn't really matter. Galaxy phones, buy US version, do not buy international. Just a key tip of advice when you're buying. If you see it says international, do not buy it. If you can't find out if it's international or US, don't buy it. Buy it only if it is US version. All right, so the store also revealed the colors that each of the 3 Galaxy S20 models will have. There will be gray, pink, purple, and white. I would probably go with the gray here, but I don't know if I really like that. The S21 Plus comes in at pink, silver, black, and purple. I'd probably get the S21 Plus, and I'm going with black. I love. Now this is called graphite, but I love the black color on phones. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And the S20 Ultra in black and silver. So I actually probably go S20 Ultra. The S20 and the S21 Plus will reportedly share the same trio of cameras according to Samsung store. There's a 12 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 64 megapixel telephoto with 3 times zoom. The S20 Ultra gets more array of 108 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and 10 megapixel 3 times telephoto, and a 10 megapixel 10 times telephoto. Not bad. Not bad at all. Again, these cameras, like the 20 Ultra already, 20 Ultra and then the Note 20 Ultra, they already had amazing cameras. So there's not much they can upgrade too much on these, but again, they're all trying to compare with the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro and Pro Max. The iPhone 12's camera, it's okay. But the Pro series, very well. We see a similar story with the 21 series displays. 21S or S21 and S21 Plus both have FHD panels capable of 120 Hz refresh rate with a former measuring 6.2 inches and latter of 6.7 inches. The S20 Ultra is slightly larger at 6.8 inches, higher resolution with a quad-core resolution, and uses LTPO technology to allow an adaptive rather than fixed refresh rate up to 120 Hz. I would say one thing. Said it in my iPhone review video. I said it in my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra review video. And I'll say it again. You don't understand how amazing 120 Hz refresh rate is on your phone until you get one. Keep in mind, guys, like I said, I have this iPhone, right? It's an amazing iPhone. This is an iPhone 12 Pro Max. It has 5G. It's an amazing iPhone. Number one reason why, other than the design, I love the Galaxy Note 20 and I might 20 Ultra and I might buy it again. It's literally the refresh rate. How fluent, how smooth it was going through apps, going through like settings, going through these things on that phone. There's nothing like it. And you don't realize and you don't really understand it until you get the phone, you use it, and you realize how amazingly beautiful it actually is. Guys, it's really a big deal. A lot of people are like, oh, I don't care about that. Your iPhone, this iPhone right here has 60 Hertz refresh rate. When you double that, you get some real experiences. The January reveal date looks now to be confirmed and earlier than the S20's release date will be a year back in February. Rumors also claim why it's Samsung trying to prevent lost sales to the iPhone 12. All right. So let's go ahead and keep going. Actually, I think that's it. That's all they... Okay, so that's all they're actually showing off. That's all the information they have. Takeaways. Well, First off, it doesn't look like it's much of an upgrade from the Galaxy S20, Note 20 series. On paper right now, just looking at these specs. So, should you upgrade? At the moment, until we learn new information, if you have the Note 20 or the Note 20 Ultra or the obviously S20 Ultra, probably not. Not at the moment. Not at the moment. Okay? We're going to learn more information. Like I said, I'm pretty sure this has a 5,000 milliamp battery, which is absolutely insane, and that's absolutely amazing. Now, if it doesn't, obviously, go on from there. But at the moment, it looks like it does. And as long as that does, this phone will be amazing. But I don't really think, like I said, I love the 20 series. I absolutely love the 20 series. I don't think it's worth an upgrade at the moment. But once we learn more information, we'll have to wait and see. And we might find out some information that makes it worth an upgrade. The information it shows today, not really worth an upgrade too much. But again, we just learned about a couple of the specs, not too much in depth. Once we learn about, obviously how long the battery is, how big the battery is, we'll learn about different features it can do, different gimmicks. Can it run 8K? Most likely not. Does it really matter? Not at all, because nothing is 8K right now. But, stuff like that. So, with that in mind, guys, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to like and comment down below. I'll see you guys next one. Peace out.